Hi again. Today I will discuss three risky trading ideas. Risky because I will be going against fundamental analysis and I will be using only technical analysis. Um, for example, here our first trade will be on gold. I will be trying to short gold, which is, right now is not the best thing to do with the current situation and war in Middle East. And as you can see here, it's the technicals here on trading view is giving us a buy signal. But I think because I see this here, this support here, very clean double bottom, and always when I see something that like that, you should be suspicious because there is no such a thing in trading. Very clean tops, there normally will be taken. For example, here we had this very clean tops, bottoms here, sorry, here. And what happened? What happened is that we went to liquidate these bottoms here, and I think the same will happen here. And maybe to close this here, we have a gap here, and with these orders here, um, we can go here to mitigate these orders because these orders has not been mitigated yet, and they are untouched, as you can see here. And actually, if you can look here, um, most of retail traders will see this like a trend, maybe like a downtrend. And as you can see here, we broke above this trend line and we did the retest. And normally, what you can see in all retail trading books, that you go, and after the retest you enter here and you put your stop loss underneath this retest, and you expect price to go up. But as you can see here, we also, if you are looking at for selling, you will see here that this here, this is a weekly gap, and actually price reacted in a bearish way after reaching this gap. And if we look at 4 hours chart, we will see actually a bearish order flow with this support that that has been broken, and we went up for this order block here, and we have this reversal signal. And we can also look at silver, because here, for example, you can see this here, that gold made a higher high while silver didn't. Actually, I will show you here. Here is silver. It didn't actually. Didn't. And it went, actually started going down from this order block here. And I think the same will happen to gold. As I said, these trades. What I'm discussing today is risky, so you don't have to enter these trades. I'm just doing the analysis. Second one is also NVDA, which the earning was announced today, and actually it had a very good earning in this quarter. But I also think that we will be going down after this very beautiful earning, because it's always like this. It's always the opposite of what you think. You think that because Nvidia, or most of people would think that because of Nvidia had a very good earning, they will go and buy the stock, and then an institution will try to sell these stocks at these higher prices to all these people, and they dump it. Of Of course, they won't dump it because it's NVIDIA, but they will maybe try to buy it at lower prices. So it's not actually a dump. And as you see here, we have this orders here, and we have this we can't we until now because the week is not over yet. But if we close the week above this resistance, which is around, I think, around 500, yeah, almost. And if we closed underneath this, it will be, I think, it will be going down, maybe to close any of these gaps here, because we have a lot of gaps actually. Price went up very inefficiently in NVIDIA stock. Second one is also a semiconductor company, which is AMD, and I am also expecting it to go down, which is also against fundamentals. That's why I said all of these trades for today is against fundamentals. And because I see this trend line here, and I to be honest, I have drawn this before because I wanted actually to enter this sell here, but I didn't because I was hesitating and I said mm, I didn't want. I was afraid to sell AMD, to be honest, and I didn't enter on this. I wanted to enter on this gap here, and actually the gap was filled last week. It was, I think, a 4 hours gap. Yeah, exactly here, this gap here, and it was filled. And we also have like something like an ending diagonal here. So if we broke underneath this line, I think it will be going down. And our target, as I said before, and I discussed that on previous video, I think we're going maybe a little bit down, but I won't be expecting it to go to these extreme levels. I don't think that AMD will go to 40, but I think it will go down a little bit. So that's it for today. Follow for more.